be advised, the opinions and views of the hosts and guests do not reflect those of the station.
Good morning, everyone. You're watching The Business Portal, your gateway to business trends and opportunities. Welcome to Piso-Bilities, live here in GNN. I'm your host, Arman Benko from the Colaiko Foundation.
Cash, cold, that's what I need.
This is the show that discusses your ability to earn and manage your peso and the possibilities of making that same peso work for you, your Piso-Bilities. Last week, we talked about mutual funds and a lot of interest generated there. Today, we have an equally interesting topic which most of you can relate and be curious and eventually be interested in. We shall talk about multi-level marketing or networking. With the proliferation of direct selling companies and the use of multi-level marketing, it's either you have been approached one time or another by a networker and your possible reactions were to doubt, walk away, ignore, or some of you actually went to it and got burned or scammed, or for the few who joined a legit and stable direct selling company and made good income, if not very good income. Admittedly, there are more negative vibes about networking than the positive ones. This is the purpose of this show, to demystify and give proper, correct, valid, and timely information to increase your knowledge and be wiser in your decisions and eventual actions regarding networking. And of course, managing your personal finances and making your money grow. Our guest for today, dalawa ho sila, are the top guns of Alliance in Motion Global, Dr. Ed Cabantog and Mr. Francis Miguel of Alliance in Motion Global or AIM Global. AIM Global is a marketing company established in 2006. It has established presence in different regions of the Philippines, and based on the material I saw on the internet, it has 87 business centers and 94 satellite offices nationwide. AIM Global also has established presence in other parts of the globe, Brunei, Singapore, to mention a few. So welcome to the show, gentlemen. Doc Ed Cabantog, I shall call you Doc Ed, and Francis Miguel. Okay. So, parang malamig ang kamay nyo, Sir Francis. Okay lang naman, hindi kayo
medyo
kinakabahan?
nade-tense ako. First time ko sa TV.
Sa una lang yun, baka naano ka dun sa pag-English natin, script kasi yun.
Good morning, Arman.
Yes,
Morning,
welcome
Arman.
to the show, Piso-Bilities. Our audience, we shall remind them first, they can join our discussion by texting your questions or opinions to 0917-853-7333. Please indicate your name and location so we can properly acknowledge you, and baka hindi mailagay pag hindi nilagay yung name and location. So, first part of our discussion, personal background, Doc Ed and Francis. Siguro kay Doc Ed muna. Before we talk about the company and networking. You are a medical doctor.
Yes, I graduated from PLM, Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila College of Medicine in 1998. I passed the board exam 1999, and I have a good medical practice. Maganda yung mga clinics ko. I have around 6 clinics every day. Ika nga nila lagare. Because it was my first time to work and to earn. The problem with me during that time is wala akong ka-oras-oras para sa sarili ko. So, wala akong girlfriend, wala akong time to exercise.
Boyfriend, wala rin. wala rin.
So, kulang ako sa oras. So, what I did during that time was just to really work until I was invited to a network marketing opportunity. And it was my first time to attend, and I fell in love with the industry.
With the idea of
With the idea of being an entrepreneur myself and teaching others to be an entrepreneur. And by helping them become successful, I become successful as well.
Yeah. My sister is also a doctor. She actually guested in the show recently to talk about health and wealth. Doctors are entrepreneurs naturally after graduation, hindi ba? They have to look out for clinics that hindi naman sila ine-employ but be part of. Naalala ko noon, my sister is asking us to prepare para makabili ng shares ng isang hospital para maka-clinic siya. You are an automatic entrepreneur if you're a doctor, ano?
There are types of doctors who are like that. Kasi ang tendency mag-build ka ng practice.
Yes.
And there are very little systems that teach you how to do that. What usually happens is after graduating, practice ka sa gilid-gilid ng Metro Manila.
Yes,
You don't focus in the center of Metro Manila kasi marami ng mga developed practices dyan ng mga matatanda ng doktor. So as a young doctor, doon ka sa gilid-gilid ng Metro Manila, which is a very, very great challenge. So yung pagiging entrepreneur ko is from a different industry. Coming from a medical community, then ito, puro business ang pinopromotes, puro business meetings, business presentations, is a totally different animal when you talk about business. So I fell in love with the industry. I became successful with two companies. Then we started this Alliance in Motion Global with my partners.
Okay, let's go to Francis Miguel. Francis, before you went into networking or right after school, I browsed on the internet. You came from Adamson?
Opo.
Adamson University.
Computer engineering graduate, batch 92. And nag-start ako after 8 months as an employee, part-time. And 8 months later, nung times 5 yung sweldo ko, doon sa part-time, doon sa first company, then at the time I went full-time. So sa una, hindi mahirap. Kasi habang ginagawa mo paulit-ulit, nagiging madali.
Right.
Ang advantage lang dyan, ang upline ko kasi, father ko.
I'm sorry?
So, father ko.
Your father was also into networking?
Yes, siya yung aking upline. So at the end of the day, every time na-discourage kami, na-frustrate, walang sumasama, ini-indyan kami. Ang tatay ko laging nandun, anak, kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan. Siguro hindi ka pa nakakahanap ng perfect na grupo.
Talk about whole day motivation.
Araw-araw, wala na akong ginagawa, kundi makipag-usap.
Your father was really into networking full-time? As in...
After mag-retire, kinuha siya nung kanyang boss, which is si Congressman Goles.
Okay.
And nung mag-start siya, ako yung unang in-invite niya. Siguro walang sumasama dahil kakaibang business, non-traditional.
What year was this, Francis?
That's 92.
92?
91 sila nag-start. During that time, nag-aaral pa ako. Ni-invite niya na ako. So, pagka-graduate ko, nag-employ muna ako. Kasi hindi ko nga linya. Unang-una, wala akong time. Kaya lang, habang sumasama ako sa mga presentations niya, unti-unti, na-ignite yung aking, meron palang pag-asa. Meron palang chance na pwedeng kumita ang mga tao. So, I give it a shot, part-time. Ayun, 8 months later, ayun, sabi ko sa boss ko, boss, let's have a meeting. Ano yun? Sabi ng boss ko, good news, you're fired. So, I went full-time and then 14 years na ako doon. Araw-araw yun ang ginagawa ko. So, hindi pala mahirap ang networking.
So, let's go to the meat of the discussion. What is networking? Si Doc Ed was trying to correct me off the air before we got on the air. Hindi yan, iba ang direct marketing sa direct selling. So, what is, ano ba ang hierarchy o pagkakaiba niyang mga, pag minsan they all lump it up networking, direct selling, direct marketing. Paano ba ang hierarchy? Who wants to?
The biggest umbrella organization is the Direct Selling Association. Entirely in the world, it's called the World Federation of Direct Selling Association.
What does direct selling mean in simple terms?
From distributor, diretso sa customer.
Kasi ang usual na nangyayari, there is a producer of goods and dinadala sa isang trader,
There's a
dadalhin sa retail outlet, and then mag-a-advertise sila ng napakalaki, commercials, di ba? Billboards, TV,
With
May mga middleman, may area agent.
Right. Tapos ma-attract ang consumer, malalaman ng consumer na merong produkto, mapupuntahan niya sa isang lugar na mall, grocery, department store, and buy the product.
That's the traditional
That
This is the
traditional way.
traditional. Okay. Pag direct selling,
With direct selling, there's usually a product or a service.
Okay.
And this goes directly to the consumer. Ang middleman lang isa, yung distributor. Actually, yung consumer, pwede rin maging distributor themselves.
the consumer can become distributors themselves. Okay.
They have an option to become distributors. So, yun yung direct selling. It's a direct correlation and direct relationship ng produkto diretso kagad sa consumer. Hindi na dumadaan doon sa mga regional sales manager,
Right.
Agent,
national
mga
sales manager, national retailer, wholesaler, wala nang
Wala nang
ganun.
ganon.
Kaya sinasabi nila, di ba, sa gamot, ito, alam mo, Doc Ed, sa gamot, ang production cost daw 10% or less. So, ibig sabihin yung gamot na binibili natin piso, G's lang talaga pag pinoduce. Sa dami ng dadaanan, nagiging piso na. At dami ng dadaanan at gagastosan nila para madala yung produkto. So, ano naman yung networking na tinatawag?
Yung direct selling, as we mentioned, yung product na pupunta kagad sa consumer. Now, yung usual na ginagastos ng traditional marketing sa mga middlemen, sa mga advertisement, yung porsyento doon, ginagawa ng marketing plan or compensation plan in which kapag gumawa ka ng grupo na magpe-patronize ng product, iinom ng product, magpo-promote ng product, ikaw yung i-compensate nila with that marketing plan. Instead na kumuha ng celebrity, ikaw ang endorser ng produkto, ikaw ang endorser ng negosyo. Kung gumawa ka ng malaking groups na nagpe-patronize ng product, para ka rin artista na kumikita na may residual income.
Is it a business? Pag sinabing nagne-networking ako, nagne-negosyo ako?
Well, at the end of the day, it's a business. Natututo kang maging entrepreneur.
Bakit tinawag na network? Because kanya-kanya tayo ng network?
Yes, kasi all of us has networks of friends, circle of trust. So usually kapag may maganda kang product, o wag na muna tayo pumunta sa product, pag may maganda kang experience, pag may magandang experience, maybe a movie or a spa, kapag na-experience mo yan, usually ang una mong tinatawagan, mga kaibigan mo.
Yes.
So,
Family,
family, friends, may napanood akong movie, panoorin mo sa mga network of friends mo. You usually refer products and services, but you don't get paid for it. Nagkukwento ka ng magagandang produkto, serbisyo, minamarket mo, pero hindi ka naman nababayaran.
Yes.
The thing with network marketing, ikwento mo yung product, ikwento mo yung business. When they buy the product, when they join the business, you earn. And every time they refer the product and refer the business, kahit natutulog ka, Arman, pwedeng kumita.
Yan yung tinuturo namin sa Colayco Foundation. Dalawang source of income. Active income, dahil sa sarili mong pawis. Passive income, money that you earn without you exerting any effort. Pero let's hit the nail right away. Bakit negative ang connotation, karamihan, aminin na natin, about networking? Sino ba nagpauso ng networking? A little history. Ikaw medyo matagal ka na, Francis, more than a decade. Sino bang mga malalaki o nagpauso ng networking at dito lang ba yan sa Pilipinas o ginagawa rin sa ibang sabi mo may global association. So sa ibang mundo rin ginagawa ang networking?
Sa ibang bansa.
Ibang bansa, ibang mundo. Ibig sabihin sa Venus. Or sa ibang bansa, ginagawa rin ng networking.
Unang na-experience ko yan, na narinig ang networking sa Amway.
Amway.
So, nag-start yan sa Amerika.
Sa US.
Hanggang ngayon, household name na siya. It's a
What does Amway have?
Generally, from toothpaste to
Household products.
Kompleto
products.
sila.
Oh.
It's a giant company now.
So instead of
The US.
putting up an Amway mall,
Store,
Amway store, they use direct selling.
Direct selling.
And networking. Anong pinagkaiba ng direct selling sa networking?
Mostly kasi yung direct selling, benta-benta lang.
Okay.
Benta-benta like Avon,
Ayan, nagdi-direct selling din yan.
Yan,
Ay, kilala
Tasha,
nila yan.
mga
Yung
ganyan.
Tupperware.
Mary
Tupperware.
Kay, home party, benta-benta lang. But when you talk about network marketing, minamarket mo rin yung network of friends mo. So meaning, if they like the product, pwede silang mag-join sa business. Pwede rin nilang gawin yung ginagawa mo. Hindi lang sila bibili, ika nga. Hindi lang sila magiging customer or consumer. Pwede rin silang magkaroon ng business by buying the product and reselling it to others. So then you meron ka ng tinatawag na commission or income dun sa efforts nila. Yun na yung leverage factor. Na kapag yung network na ang gumagalaw, of your friends, sila na yung gumagalaw, nag-enjoy sila, they like the product, they like the service, kumikita sila, you in return, as an upline or the one who sponsored your group, your friends, kumikita ka pa rin. Siguro, okay. Arman, Francis can best explain yung sa leverage because we all have 24 hours a day.
Yes.
Ano nga yung formula natin for leverage?
We only have 24 hours a day.
Yes.
Iles mo yung time mo for sleeping, commuting to and from work, yung pagkain, yung pag-lipstick lang, yung sa mga kababayan, it will take about siguro 12 hours sa sarili mo lang.
Yes.
So you only have 8 hours to make money.
Yes.
So computed mo na kagad kung magkano yung income mo, multiply mo per hour for the next one lifetime probably.
Yes.
Maximum 4 million to 5 million. Yun na yun. If you make like 50 pesos per hour.
Okay.
Sa leverage marketing, you multiply your time through others. So kung mas marami kang kausap na kahit part-time lang ginagawa yung negosyo under your network, 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours per day, at kung 1,000 yan times 3 hours, it's like saying you have 3,000 hours in a day. And if everybody can sell like one piece or one coffee, one product in a single day, so there are 3,000 products that being moved per day. So just make about 3 or 5% or 10% of the 3,000, you make like magkano. So yun yung leverage marketing.
Yeah, you magnify your potential, your earning ability. May mga pumapasok na text, nagkakagulo yung prompter natin. Pero pag nag-settle sila dyan, we'll accommodate the text. Ito, meron na pumasok coming from Glenn of Pasig. Aamin po ba kayo na ang networking ay para sa tamad?
No.
Paano yun?
Just like any business, Arman, for you to be successful with network marketing, kinakailangan ng
Bakit yun naman nasabi, Glenn, na para sa tamad ang networking? Siguro dahil doon sa, yung sa concept of leverage. Dahil merong ibang contributes to your earning potential, no?
Paring yung kanya ng mindset niya. Pero ang totoo niyan, sa umpisa, ang effort mo, medyo ganito karami, maring 8 hours a day mo siyang ginagawa. Pero habang dumadami na yung grupo mo, sa una, ganitong kalaking effort, maliit yung result. Eventually, baliktad na. Yung effort mo, mga ganito na lang, pero yung resulta mo, overwhelming.
Siguro let's address kaagad yung mga negative, awkward issues para we can put it aside and talk more about networking since inumpisa na ni Glenn of Pasig. We appreciate the message actually. First, bakit may negative connotation na pag sa networking yan? Una, tamad. Kasi iba ang magtatrabaho para sa'yo sana. Ano ba ang things to look out for if you are to join a direct selling company using networking marketing skill?
First, Arman, we should look for a very, very good consumable product.
Consumable product.
Unique product. The problem with the industry ng direct selling at multi-level marketing, kaya may bad light towards it, is that sa Pilipinas, sa sobrang dali ng batas, may mga nasisimulang kumpanya, nagtatagal ng kumpanya, na hindi maganda yung produkto, o kaya walang produkto at all. Or kung may product man, tawag nga namin ni Francis, hindi value for money. Kunwari, nag-invest ka ng ganito kalaki, pero yung produkto mo, ganito lang, yung halaga. Yung tipong may mga trick question to watch out for, like, tanggalin mo yung kitaan, bibilin ko ba yung product?
Dapat, una, the pinaka-pundasyon, the foundation of it all, is the product.
Yes.
Francis, tagal mo sa industriya, ano mga produktong walang value for money ang mga nakita mo na iba? Can you share some of them? Dahil I have some, suddenly pumutok sa utak ko na dati meron nang umaalok sa amin sapatos, 8,000 pesos higit. Yung sapatos, mas maganda, galing Marikina, pero 8,000 pesos floor shine na sa mga malls yun, di ba?
High-end shoes.
High-end shoes na. Meron pa noon ginto. Mga ginto, bumili raw ng ginto.
May kwintas.
May kwintas.
May ginto.
Maganda yung sinabi mo, Doc, consumable product. Ano yung ba yung mga dati, mga product na medyo pagdududahan mo?
Katulad nun, yung nabanggit mo, sapatos, hindi consumable, number one. Hindi rin siya unique kasi available sa department store. So, distributors will have a hard time selling it kasi available nga siya outright kahit saan mabibili mo. So, wala siyang uniqueness. So, it will die down naturally.
Isa ba yun? Isa ba yun sa tinitingnan na dapat unique yung product?
Dapat unique. Yeah, if possible nga, yung sariling formulation, nakapatent sa company kasi nga ganun ka-unique yung product. And yung value for money. Like what you mentioned before, yung mahal, 8,000, 9,000 yung bibilin mong package. Only to find out isang pares lang ng sapatos.
Yes, hindi pa na-deliver.
Hindi pa.
Na-deliver.
Sabihin na natin na-deliver, Arman.
maski na
Pero,
na-deliver, yeah.
kaya yung tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, trick question, tanggalin mo yung kitaan.
Tanggalin yung kita.
Bibilhin
Tanggalin
ba?
mo yung kitaan, bibilin mo ba yung package na 9,000 na isang pares ng sapatos? I doubt it.
Oo. Kay yung mga nabanggit yung mga produkto, wag na natin ulitin, baka nako-commercial pa sila. Yung mga nag-umpisa ng gumamit ng direct selling, yung value for product nandoon.
Nandoon.
Kaya hanggang ngayon buhay pa sila.
Buhay pa sila.
Buhay pa sila.
So yung pampahaba ng buhay doon, Arman, yung kagandahan ng produkto na kahit walang kitaan, bibilin at bibilin ng tao. At
So,
yung income, bonus na lang.
Bonus na.
Bonus na
Kasi
lang.
talagang tatangkilikin mo.
Correct.
You will really patronize the product or service.
Gagamitin mo talaga.
Gagamitin mo talaga. So product, kailangan maganda ang product. What's the next thing to look out for if you are to join a direct selling and will be active in the networking?
Siguro yung una, bago nga yung product muna, in terms of credibility and stability ng isang opportunity o ng company, dapat they belong to an industry association. Tulad ng binanggit ko kanina, sa buong mundo may World Federation of Direct Selling Association. Here in the Philippines, meron silang affiliate association which is called Direct Selling Association of the Philippines. For now, there are only 30 legitimate and stable members ng Direct Selling Association of the Philippines. So pag may mga nag-aalok sa inyo na, uy, magandang business to, magandang product, dapat ang number one question, member ba kayo ng DISAP
DISAP
or Direct Selling Association of
Bakit
the
gaano
Philippines?
kadali o gaano kahirap umano sa DISAP?
Marami silang requirements. Hinihimay-himay nila not only yung product, yung marketing plan, yung background nung mismong may-ari.
Sabi ng SEC, around ano ba to? 30 direct selling companies ang nakikreate every day. Siguro yung sinabi mo every month, yung sinabi mo kanina, Doc Ed, na sa dali ng batas or yung dahil sa batas, ang dali magtayo. So yung mga baguhan na direct selling companies na tinatayo on a monthly basis, they cannot easily join a DSAP or get a DSAP accreditation.
Tama. Mahigpit sila doon.
Mahigpit.
Mahigpit
Tinitingnan
sila.
siguro
May
ang
rules
track
sila.
record.
May guidelines sila.
Usually, kinakailangan mga 2 years ka na, tapos walang complaint sa company mo, nagpe-payout ka talaga,
Tama.
ng tama, stable yung marketing plan. Sad to say, Arman, since in the industry, nabalitaan nga nila na madali ang benta dyan sa MLM o sa direct selling. May mga scrupulous businessman na magtatayo, but their ultimate goal is to close down in 6 to 8 months.
You know, magtatayo kong negosyo para isara?
Yes. Ang goal talaga nila is to really manloko ng tao. Kunwari may product, tapos maganda yung kitaan. Sa sobrang ganda ng kitaan, alam namin na expert in this industry kasi matagal na nga kami. Alam namin from the very first day, titignan namin yung product, titignan namin yung package, titignan namin yung marketing plan. Alam namin in 6 to 8 months, it's either magsasara yung company or babaguhin yung marketing plan.
Ang goal lang talaga makakuha ng
Makakuha lang ng immediate sales.
Right.
Tapos at the end of the day, sasabihin ng mga may-ari, pumutok na yung product, lagay na natin sa drugstore. Parang ginamit.
nawawala na yung uniqueness ng sinabi ni Francis dahil available na siya sa
Labas,
sa labas.
drugstore.
At ang masaklap pa nun, Arman, ginamit lang yung network para paputokin yung brand name. Hindi minentain yung network. It should be pinoproteksyonan yung brand ng product at pinoproteksyonan din yung network system.
that, built it.
Yes, kasi yung network naman talaga ang nagpakilala ng produkto. Sila yung naghirap, sila yung nagsumikap para makilala yung produkto. Dapat alagaan ng network, alagaan yung mga tao or yung mga distributors.
Okay. Discussion is getting interesting. We will pause for a break, but pagbalik natin, tapusin natin the items to look out for. Nasabi na natin product. Second, yung company, if it's accredited globally and locally, lalo na. We will continue our discussion about direct selling and networking. Hindi po siya masama. Kailangan lang we know how to assess and check and validate the direct selling companies. We will pause for a short break. Keep sending your messages to 0917-853-7333. After the break, we shall start answering most of them. Welcome back to Peaceabilities, and we are still joined by Dr. Ed Cabantog and Mr. Francis Miguel of AIM Global. Our discussion, direct selling and networking. Gentlemen, address muna natin yung mga biglang nag-text kasi hindi pa makakapasok yung iba pag hindi natin nabawas yung mga pumasok. Coming from Chati of Dagupan, paano po maging successful sa ganyang business?
Siguro
Mabilis muna ang sagot.
si Francis na 17
Okay.
years na yan.
Bukod sa merong training tayo o kami, araw-araw, lamang ka na dito pag medyo madaldal ka o chismosa, medyo lamang ka na dito. Kasi ito kailangan makipag-usap ka na makipag-usap hanggang maghapon. So, advantage na yon.
So, pero ang critical doon yung sinabi mo una, continuous training.
Opo. Dapat atinan yon, although sa aming kumpanya, libre, araw-araw, para maging linya mo to unti-unti at para maging madali yung negosyo.
Pwede ko bang sundot ng kagad, Doc Ed, ina-address natin yung mga items to look out for? Isa ba yan to look out for? Tiningnan mo na kung may produkto, tiningnan mo na yung kumpanya kung stable, legit, at kinikilala ng iba, hindi lang siya lang ang kinikilala niya sarili niya. Yung training, is it one of the requirements?
Critical ang training. Tulad nga na sinabi ni Francis, marami kasing tao, hindi linya to. At yun ang magiging response nila. Hindi ko kasi linya yung ganyan eh.
Yes.
So, ang ginagawa namin, nililinya namin ito para sa kanila.
Saan sila tinitrain?
Sa kung paano yung mga business skills, how to invite people, how to present the business, paano mo ba ibebenta na maganda yung produkto. So kinakailangan magaling ka sa aspeto ng negosyo at magaling ka rin sa aspeto ng produkto, which we do that every day sa office. Tinuturuan namin yung tao, gaano ba kaganda yung product, ano-ano ba laman nito, why is it good to sell, ano yung mga unique selling proposition, why is it different sa ibang mga produkto. Once na naging knowledgeable na yung tao about the product, tuturuan naman namin paano yung business side nun. So matututo sila magbenta, matututo sila mag-invite ng tao, mag-present about the product and about the business. So yan yung cycle.
Yung ibang mga nakakausap ko coming from AIM Global, pito yung pagkatao nila, tinitingnan, pito yung kung paano yung dating nila. Di ba? Parang si Francis, John Lloyd ang dating natin pero sagutin natin itong pumasok coming from Mrs. Gonzales. Pwede po malaman kung anong mga produkto nyo.
Okay, Doc.
Miski na para sa AIM Global, mamaya pa sagutin natin dahil para hindi ma-disappoint si Mrs. Gonzales. Produkto ng AIM Global.
Mrs. Gonzales, our products are food supplement, health and wellness. May mga produkto kaming nakakaganda sa kalusugan, nakakatulong sa maraming sakit like high blood, diabetes.
So consumable product ba yan?
Consumable products about our health. May mga beauty products din kami. Yung mga gustong magpaputi, magpapayat, medyo magmukhang 20 years younger, may mga ganyan tayong product. May mga healthy beverages din. Kape na napaka-healthy, chocolate na napaka-healthy, and soon we'll be launching a lot of products.
Since natututo ako sa inyo, is that product unique or available in Mercury Drug or department stores?
Our products are not available sa mga drugstore or sa ibang mga boutique, sa mga supermarket. And we have yung current flagship product natin, which is specifically manufactured with patented formulation. Ginawa para exclusive sa AIM
Exclusive
Global.
for AIM Global.
Who looks after that the product is safe and consumable para sa tao? Is there someone, hindi si DSAP ang gumagawa niyan, hindi si Direct Selling
BFAD.
Association
Hindi
of
na.
the Philippines. Yung mga produkto nyo, safe ba siya inumin, gamitin?
Unang-una, yung manufacturer natin is based sa US.
US
which is in
company.
Utah, is Nature's Way. And doon pa lang mahigpit na meron silang FDA, Food and Drug Authority. Sa atin naman may BFAD,
Sa America, it's
US FDA.
US FDA accredited or they have checked the products?
Meron pang tinatawag Arman na GMP. May certification sila of good manufacturing
Manufacturing
procedure or practice. Ibig sabihin, maganda yung kalidad ng pagmamanufacture, therefore maganda yung kalidad ng product. Approved sa US, and dito naman sa Pilipinas, kinakailangan, approved din ng BFAD.
BFAD.
And AIM Global products obviously are
Approved ng
Approved by
BFAD.
approved by BFAD. Another text message to Doc Ed. Could you guarantee all your customer enough stocks, inventories of your commodities? O yan. Bakit ganun kaya ang tanong na hindi niya binigay yung pangalan niya? Isa yan sa nagiging problema ba sa
Yes.
direct selling companies?
Tulad ng binanggit ko kanina, Arman, may mga scrupulous businessman na magtatayo ng negosyo only to shut down in 6 to 8 months. May mga company na gano'n, nagsimula, maganda yung benta, nang pumasok na yung benta, wala nang stock.
Iniubos lang yung inventory.
Inubos lang yung inventaryo. At pag nag-declare na ang company ng bankruptcy, wala nang mahabol yung mga distributors. Ang track record ng Alliance in Motion or AIM Global, Arman, for the past 5 years, hindi pa kami nauubusan ng stocks.
Never.
Never. At this year, maganda yung benta. Halos umabot na ng 1 billion o mahigit pa, pero hindi kami naubusan ng produkto.
Pwede mo bang ulitin yun? How big miski na nanonood ng BIR, how big the sales? Kasi that's an indicator of how serious the company is. Hindi yung papetik-petik o manuts-manuts lang yung mga targets nga kasi nga gusto lang makakuha ng pera dun sa networker. Yung products alone, how much products has your company sold?
Products alone, hindi pa natatapos yung taong to. For the year 2010, umabot na ng 1 billion yung
1
benta
billion
namin.
na sales.
1 billion of sales. So
As of October.
hindi na yan SME, di ba? Yung pag billions of sales. And obviously, mahal natin ang ating bayan. You pay taxes.
Of course.
Of course.
You pay
Arman,
taxes.
just to mention, no, for the past 2 consecutive years, 2009 and 2010, we've been certified by the BIR that we belong to the top 20,000 highest tax-paying corporation.
Very good, very good. So, responsible corporate citizen as
Dapat.
well, paying taxes. Another text message, Sir, I'm a member of AIM Global and maganda po ang mga produkto nila. Mukhang kasama ito sa network. Hindi niya binigay yung pangalan niya. Sana binigay niyo para matandaan ng mga presidente at vice president niyo. Let's go back to dun sa tanong na what to look out for, the product, the company. Sa product, nandyan yung uniqueness. Sa company, nandyan yung accreditation and its legitimacy and stability with 1 billion sales. Hindi lang this year yan, no? Ano yan, tuloy-tuloy.
Consistently
Consistently growing. And you see in the next, related dun sa tanong kanina, do you see it growing further 2011 and the years to come?
We see it growing every day, every week and every month, especially if we're launching new products and we're expanding in other countries.
In other countries.
You mentioned in the beginning, ulitin ko na lang, meron na tayong opisina sa Brunei at may opisina tayo sa Singapore. Within the next 6 months, ang goal natin is to open in Hong Kong, in Taiwan, even in Guam, Hawaii, and some parts of Europe. So we're planning to expand globally na.
This word you said, you used plan. Talagang it's in the drawing boards
Yes.
and with clear milestones and timelines.
We're investing heavily on the infrastructure to really go global. And one infrastructure is the IT. Siguro Francis can make mention how much we invest on the IT, gaano kaganda yung internet at yung IT infrastructure natin, and gaano ka-importante yan if you really want to be long-term at global. Francis?
Para mabilis, we're using the 4G. The
4G.
new wave of, sa atin ang tawag Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Pero this time, we are using yung satellite.
Okay.
So, anywhere you go, pwede ka mag-expand globally kasi seamless. Unang-una, kahit buksan mo yung account mo, you're in Singapore, you can get your money there na without going to Philippines na kunin yung bonus check mo. So, lahat nasa website na.
Internet-based.
Internet-based.
Internet-based. And real time.
Real time, correct.
Real time.
Real time.
I know this for a fact, pero for the benefit of the audience, you pay out daily?
Yes.
Bakit critical yung payout daily? I know the answer already because of course prior to this we've talked already. Yung iba monthly ba, weekly magbayad?
Yung ibang companies, Arman, lalo na yung mga galing sa ibang bansa, usually they pay out monthly,
Monthly, no?
or weekly, the most. Pero ang Pilipinas kasi, iba ang kultura ng Pinoy eh. Ang problema ng mga Pilipino, naku, mapuputulan ako ng kuryente mamaya or bukas or 3 days from
Kailangan
today.
kumita na tayo ngayon.
Sisingilin na ako ng Bombay, kunwari, ng 3 days from today. So, nakiisip namin, when we were starting, kung ang market natin magsisimula, kung gusto natin payamanin ng masa, ano yung kailangan ng masa? Ang kailangan ng masa, hindi yung kikitain next year, hindi yung kikitain next month. Ang kailangan ng masa, kikitain ngayon.
Yes.
So, pwede nilang gawin yung business ngayon, magbenta sila ng produkto, mag-sponsor ng mga tao, At sa website, makikita nila yung commission nila.
Yun yung sinasabi ni Francis.
O, na
kanina.
24/7 monitored online yung business mo. Once in-encash nila yon, the following day, Arman, nasa ATM na nila. So kahit hindi sila pumunta sa office, kunwari nasa Cebu, Davao, Cagayan de Oro, o Sibugay sila sa Visayas, withdrawin nila in any ATM all over the Philippines. Makukuha nila yung commission nila.
Ilang company ang gumagawa ng daily payout?
Sa ngayon, kami na lang yata.
Kayo-
Kami pa lang at kami na lang.
Kayo lang ang nagde-daily
Nagbibigay ng
payout.
daily payout.
Yung mga binanggit natin kanina mga kumpanya, yan, weekly, monthly kung mag-payout. No? I know for a fact, yung binanggit nating foreign company, multinational company earlier, monthly sila kung mag-payout. No?
Yun ang advantage, Arman, kapag yung company local. Kasi siyempre, ang management at administration namin nasa Pilipinas.
Yes.
Pero yung foreign company, yung management at administration at finance sila, nasa ibang bansa.
yes.
So, papasok muna yung benta sa kanila,
Yes,
kukumpitin pa yung commission,
Right,
at manggagaling doon sa parent company sa US, tsaka lang sasabihin yung finance sa Pilipinas, eto ibigay mo dyan. Hindi katulad sa atin, since yun ang advantage, homegrown, ika nga. So, since nandito yung finance department natin, na monitor on a daily basis, on a real-time basis yung commission, we can pay out daily. Ang nakakatuwa nga nito, Arman, kapag sinasabi namin sa mga leaders o sa mga distributors, hindi pa actually pumapasok yung benta sa kumpanya, pinipay out na namin.
Hindi ba delikado yun, Doc? Francis?
Ganun ka-stable yung company. Kasi nga, usually, pinipick up ng bangko sa amin yan, mga after lunch pa, the following day.
yes,
So, the following day after lunch, nasa kanila na rin yung commission nila.
commission
Kasi,
nila.
dati kaming distributors ni Francis. So, ang gusto namin, kung ano yung maganda para sa distributor, ibigay para sa distributor at huwag i-delay.
Great, great. Let's address a question ni Liza. I'm one of your distributor. How can I bring the product in Dubai?
Naku, ayoko sanang i-preempt yung magandang balita eh. Meron na kasing investor, insert parang nag-franchise ng concept ng business at ng product na gustong bitbitin sa Dubai at nilalakad na yung product registration natin sa Dubai, naka-apply na at within the next 2 to 3 months, lalabas na yung registration. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Pag lumabas na ang registration ng products natin sa Dubai
Legit na tayo
or sa
doon.
UAE, legal na tayo sa Dubai. Ang tanong ngayon ilang trailer o ilang tonelada ng produkto ipapadala natin doon. So, pag nangyari na yun, 2 to 3 months from today, napadala na yung maraming produkto ron. Kami mismo nila, Francis, nila Jan, ang isa pa namin kapartner, nila Jan Aspiring, pupunta na kami sa Dubai. So, 100% na yung support ng company, massive campaign, massive presentation ng business at ng product as well. So, malapit na para sa mga taga-Dubai, abangan nyo. Konting tiis na lang.
Liza ang pangalan nun. Liza. na
Liza.
taga-Dubai.
Kung sa Dubai, magagawa nyo yun. Dito siguro, kay Cheng of Cotabato, kayang-kaya nyo na. From Cheng of Cotabato, paano po maging member ng AI, ng M Global? Mabilisan, Francis.
Meron tayong number ngayon na nasa screen. Pwede kayo makipag-ugnayan dyan. At ang opisina natin nasa Ortigas. Anyway, nationwide naman ang business center office.
Nationwide
So, pwede kayo mag-attend ng seminar or business briefing sa malapit sa inyo.
Tapusin muna natin, Doc, yung naiwan natin. I want to get into serious endeavor. Serious. Hindi ibig sabihin pantamad lang yung una nagtanong sa atin. Serious endeavor.
Pwedeng seryosohin kasi pwede kang maging milyonaryo sa negosyong to.
Ayan, marami na nagkaka-interest, hindi pa natin pinag-uusapan yung peso sign, ha? Kita nyo naman ang interest ng ating Peaceabilities viewers. One, the product. Second, the company. Third, there are support trainings. And siguro isama ko na rin dun yung sistema. At
Business
least the
system.
back-end. Yung back-end, the computer.
Internet.
Yung internet. Is there anything else that kailangan nilang tingnan?
Yung long-term vision ng company.
Long-term vision. Saan pumapasok yung marketing plan, compensation plan? Kasama na rin yun.
Kasama na yan.
Ano ang mga, sabi nyo kanina, pag may mga sumusulpot na bagong networking company, alam nyo na, nababasa nyo na kagad, ito magsasara o ito hindi stable. Ano ang tinitingnan nyo, lalo na doon sa compensation or marketing plan?
Dalawa. Una, yung product. Kapag yung product, yung tinatawag namin walang unique selling proposition or tinatawag na me too, yung kunwari, ako rin, ganyan din.
Siyempre,
Yung parang hindi nag-isip at ginaya lang. Buti sana kung pangalawa ka lang na katulad na product. Pero kung ikaw, pang-apat, pang-lima, pang-anim ka na parehong product, medyo parang alibay mo na lang yung product for the business para magkaroon ng marketing plan. Yung marketing plan naman, kapag obvious na masyadong generous, kunwari alam ng mga tao na pag sumali, there will come a time, mas malaki yung ipipay out kesa sa magiging benta, ang nangyayari, nag-overpay yung company or nalulugi tulad ng mga nasaksihan namin ni Francis mula nung nagsimula kami. Ang dami nagsulputan.
Mangyayari yan, Francis? Konti ang
Nag-overpay.
pumasok na pera, tapos maraming binayad?
Kasi nakaka-attract eh. So, pag pinakita mo sa tao na pwede silang kumita ng ganito kalaki, na ganito lang ang investment, talagang maraming sasali. Maraming magiging involved. Kaya lang, minsan hindi umabot ng 6 months eh. Minsan hindi umabot ng 6 months.
Kaya siguro yan ang nakakadagdag dun sa, yun nga, putting the industry in a bad light.
Yes.
Ano? How do you guys feel? I digress a little. How do you guys feel with all the negative and bad impression about networking?
We
Is
feel
there an effort from you individually or from your company?
we feel it's our responsibility to educate people.
Actually, kayo lang ang matapang na humarap sa TV. Yung ibang networking, ayaw
Ayaw
humarap sa
humarap.
TV. No?
wala naman kasi kami itatago. So,
Alam ko saan tayo hanapin.
So, opisina lang, araw-araw nandun kami.
Araw-araw nandun.
So, we're educating people na maganda ang direct selling, maganda ang networking, basta hanapin nyo lang yung tatak ng DISAP, Direct Selling Association of the
And
Philippines.
MLMIA.
And MLMIA, Multi-Level
That's the
Marketing
International
International Association.
Association.
So, we're educating people na maganda yung gantong gawing negosyo. Kasi kagandahan sa negosyong to, nakapackage na yung sistema. Hindi ka na mag-iisip, ano kaya yung product ko, paano kaya yung inventaryo, paano yung monitoring system, paano yung delivery, paano yung market. Ito, package na. Susundan mo na lang yung sistema. Ika nga parang franchising. The only difference is yung franchising, usually we're talking of hundreds and thousands or millions of investment. Dito, mga thousands lang.
Right.
Pero pwede ka rin kumita sinlaki ng big investment sa franchising. And just to let you know, tinanong mo kanina, Arman, yung how do we cope up with the bad light in the industry? Para sa kaalaman ng mga viewers ng Pisabilities, nung nagsisimula ang franchising sa US, ang tingin nila sa franchising before,
Yes, totoo.
pyramiding din o scam.
Totoo.
Kaya hindi mo mayaalis sa medyo katulad ng franchising na negosyo, ang multi-level marketing o direct selling na pinaliit lang, ang tingin din parang ganon. Pero dapat i-educate natin ng tao na maganda ito. Tingnan mo ang franchising ngayon.
Yes.
Ang dami nang nag-i-invest, ang dami nang gumagaya ng mga ganong klase ng
Pamamaraan.
o sistema
Getting into
ng
business.
negosyo.
Right. Sa amin, sa Colayco Foundation, in the seminars that we do, investment literacies that we do, when we talk about getting into business, actually, na-cover nyo lahat eh. Sinasummarize lang namin sa MAP. Marketing, administrative, and production. You covered it with your product, the administrative, the system that you cover. Marketing, yung the scheme that you use, which is the training and the multi-level. Pagbalik natin after the break, I understand merong iba't ibang marketing scheme or plan na ginagamit, and I believe your company uses more than one marketing system. Okay? But before we pause for a break, sagutin muna natin si Bobby of Sampaloc. Siguro sa Manila lang ito. I want to know if the 24/7 product is safe if you have a heart problem. Ano po yung 24/7 product?
We have a product called C24/7.
Okay.
It's a nutraceutical. It's a supplement na may patented formulation na ginawa exclusively ng Nature's Way for our company, AIM Global. Maganda yung produkto, maraming sakit na natutulungan. Okay, pero sa tanong na ganyan, medyo mahirap sagutin kasi number one, as a doctor,
Yes.
hindi ko nakikita yung pasyente,
Right.
hindi ko alam kung ilang taon na, hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal na yung sakit sa puso, kung babae o lalaki ba. Usually sa ganyan, para makapagbigay kami ng maayos na payo, kailangan makita yung pasyente.
Isa pa, ihabol natin, coming from Winnie of Quezon City, how safe is the product for pregnant women? Ano kayang product ang tinatanong niya? But generally, yung products na kinukuha ng babae, pag buntis sila, safe
Pwede.
bang, yung coffee nyo, safe
Yes.
for pregnant women? Your,
All of our products are safe for pregnant.
For
In fact, yung wife ko, 4 na anak ko eh. During the last 3 pregnancy ng wife ko, iniinom niya yung mga products ng AIM Global. Kaya,
medyo late ka nag-asawa, pero hinabol mo kagad ng 4 na anak, Doc.
medyo sunod-sunod.
Okay. Coming from cellphone number ending 8117, paano kapag lahat ng invites mo positive sa una, tapos sa last minute, di dumating? How can you encourage the distributor to go on? Lahat ba successful dito? Coming from Marie.
Francis, siguro yung pinakamatagal na sa industriya ang tanongin natin.
Para din nagtitinda ng balot, no? Sigaw na sigaw pero hindi bumibili. Walang bumibili, pero hindi naman siya tumitigil.
Yes.
So, siguro ganun din dito. Invite ka lang na invite, may sasali, merong titingin, merong susubok, merong magko-commit at may magpo-full time. So, siguro sa una, numbers game. And eventually, makakahanap ka ng right people na katulad mo na talagang magpupursige din.
Ang analogy doon, anong name nung nagtanong?
Marie.
Marie, ang analogy dyan, ito. Kasi ang pagtingin natin doon, maliit na business eh. You analyze it just like a big business. Kunwari, malaking franchise ng fast food. Yung pinakamabenta ngayon, kunwari, malaking franchise ng fast food ng investment, 30, 45 million pesos. Hindi naman lahat ng taong pumapasok doon, bumibili, di ba? May iba pumapasok sa fast food, nagpapalamig lang. May iba nagsi-CR lang. May iba meeting place lang. O tara, kompleto ka na, alis na tayo. Walang binili, pero yung may-ari ng franchise ng fast food na yun, fast food
Okay
chain,
sa kanya lang.
okay lang sa kanya kasi the more people na papasok dun sa negosyo o sa store niya, the higher the chance of having a sale. At alam nung nag-invest ng 30 to 45 million pesos, hindi lahat ng taong papasok dun sa store niya bibili. Parang sa network marketing. Hindi lahat ng kakausapin mo darating. At hindi lahat ng darating sasali. You focus on those people na sasali and you focus on those people who will stay with your business.
Okay, we will pause for a short break. After the break, we will talk more about the peso now and
Wow.
The
marketing,
millions.
the millions, and what to look out for still, because when any money that you put out, there are risks involved, and how to manage that risk. Hindi naman ibig sabihin pag may risk, ayaw mo na. How to manage that risk. We will pause for a short break. Please keep sending your messages. 0917-853-7333. We will answer most of your text messages after the break. Welcome back to Feasibilities, and we're still joined by Francis Miguel and Ed Cabantog, a medical practitioner and a computer engineering graduate, now very much into networking, the good side. But you guys also have seen the not so good side.
Kasama pa nga ako before. Doon sa binabanggit ko experience na siguro in line with the question kanina na isang nag-text regarding what happened daw doon sa Treboca.
No, hindi pa natin nabasa actually, Doc. Sige, basahin natin. Pwede ba natin angat yung prompter? Yung merong about Treboca.
Doc Ed.
Ayan,
Sige pa, sige pa.
Sige pa. About Treboca. Yung,
Ayan.
okay. Coming from June. Okay. Doc Ed, ang ganda po ng Treboca dito sa Pilipinas. Bakit binitawan in favor of Utah? Anong sabihin ng Utah?
Before kasi Arman, hindi pa ako may-ari ng company. Distributor lang ako.
Okay.
Direct seller lang ako, networker lang ako.
Networker ka lang.
Networker lang ako. It so happened full-time ako. Napasali ako dun sa company called Treboca.
Okay.
Maganda yung product. Local company, maganda yung product, maganda yung
What is the product? Pwede mo bang...
It's a
okay.
supplement. It's a multivitamins. May
Okay.
vitamins, may antioxidant, may herbs. Maganda yung product. Yung marketing plan, maganda. Hindi lang maganda. Sobrang ganda. Nasa sobrang ganda, after 2 years, na-bankrupt yung company. So, nung na-bankrupt yung company, sabi ng mga may-ari, wala kaming magagawa. Lugi yung company. Na-miscompute namin yung marketing plan. Wala silang choice kundi ilagay sa botika na yung Treboca. Kaya ngayon Treboca, mabibili mo na isa sa Watson, sa ibang mga drugstore. So, yun yung dahilan na isipin mo, ang dami kong tao, kumikita ko na maganda, tapos nawala yung company sa isang iglap. Yun yung dahilan kaya tinayo ko yung Alliance in Motion Global. Kasi nanggaling na ako dun sa mga maganda at pangit na experience. So, nung tinayo namin nila Francis, sila John Aspirin yung company ito, inalis namin lahat ng pangit. Ang tinara namin lahat ng maganda. That's why we position ourselves as a pro-distributor company. Para sa distributor, stable yung marketing plan. So, dun, can you imagine, for the past 5 years, nagpe-pay out tayo ng daily. So, when you talk about stability, napaka-stable ng company.
Mula ba nung umpisa, daily na ang
Yes.
A week after namin mag-start, daily payout na yun.
daily payout?
Hanggang today.
So,
And we started, Francis, September of
2005.
2005.
September of 2005.
5
So,
years na, no?
more than 5 years na kami nagpe-payout ng daily.
Right, right.
So, para sa mga direct seller at networkers dyan, if you've been paying out daily for the next 5 years, it only means one thing, and that is stability.
Okay. Let's address the question of Ray of Pasay. Ito siguro inihintay ng karamihan. How much is the investment fee and what is the product? Mr. Francis Miguel?
Okay. Ang product ay value for money, unang-una, 7,980 pesos. Ang kasama doon, almost 7,000 worth of products.
Okay.
Meron ng insurance, which is personal accident insurance. Meron ding ATM. Meron ka ng website na i-manage mo para makita mo yung entire
You provide that website
transaction mo.
already?
Kasama na yon. And of course, may scholarship.
Check up.
At may medical check-up.
Medical checkup right away, easily 500 pesos pataas. Ano?
Mataas.
So, yon kasama na doon sa
Kasama sa
initial na money that they bring
investment.
out. Real tangible products, as Doc Ed said off the air,
Combination.
a combination of real
Tangible.
tangible products and
Intangible services like yung check-up, titignan ka ng doktor, i-x-ray ka, kukunan ka ng dugo, kukunan ka ng ihi. Siyempre, we're in the health and wellness.
Right.
Maganda, to begin with, ma-check up ka naman.
Right,
And then, meron pang insurance, like you mentioned.
so wala kang networker na ubo-ubo.
Oo, nag-aalok ng produkto. Mahirap naman yun na maganda tong produkto, di ba? So, ma-check up muna sila para ma-advise ng mga doktor. And
Kasama
then,
sa package yun.
kasama sa package yun. Then, meron pa kaming scholarship. As of today, we have around 500 schools, colleges, universities, nagkaroon ng alliance partnership
Nationwide.
with Global. Nationwide.
Nationwide.
All the way from 25% to 50% to 75% to 80% hanggang 100% discount sa tuition fee. And these are transferable. So, kunwari, sumali ka, Arman, hindi ka na mag-aaral. Since this is transferable, pwede mong ibigay sa anak. Kunwari, hindi na rin mag-aaral yung anak, ipamigay mo. Anak ng
Pamangkin.
driver mo, sa pamangkin mo, anak ng katulong, or to whoever, pwede mo ipantulong. Pag binigay mo sa tutulungan mo, o yung anak mo, scholar na, discounted
So
na.
that schools under that alliance will honor that
course.
discount
As long as yung certificate may present before the enrollment nila.
before enrollment.
And that discount is not just for one sem. It's for the whole
Entire
course. So kung bibigyan mo ng valuation
Mabigat
yun,
yan, mabigat
yes, kung
yan.
bibigyan mo ng valuation yun,
Yeah.
minimum it's 20,000 of value na natipid ng magulang.
Right. So bawing-bawi doon.
Bawing,
doon pala.
value for money, sabi nga ni Francis.
Okay. Another sender. I have my own clinic here in Makati. AIM Global products are really good. It dissolved my cyst on my right hand, coming from Dr. Winston Guico.
Doktor pa yan.
Doktor, ano? Nakakagamot ba ang mga produkto nyo? Bakit nilalagay pag minsan merong warning, no therapeutic,
No approved.
no
approved.
approved?
Therapeutic
Because
claims.
our products are really just supplements. Supplements that enhances our body. So, sabi nga 'di ba ng the father of medicine, 'di ba? Ang katawan natin naman talaga ang nagpapagaling ng mga
Yes,
karamdaman. Bigyan mo lang ng panahon to heal itself. The problem is at times imbalance yung hormones mo, marami kang free radicals, marami kang toxin. Yung mga supplements nakakatulong. Nakakatulong mabalanse yung hormones, nakakatulong matanggal yung mga toxin. In return, at ang end result niyan, pwedeng matulungan yung mga sakit. So we're not saying tanggalin mo yung gamot sa high blood, tanggalin mo yung gamot sa diabetes, tanggalin mo yung gamot sa arthritis. Ituloy mo lang yan. I-supplement mo lang itong mga food supplement or mga herbals.
Okay. To Doc Ed, then I think even si Francis should or can answer this. As officers of your company, have you ever seen the site of the plantation? How big is the area coming from certain Colonel Casanes? Siguro yung kumpanya, yung Nature's
Manufacturing plant.
Yung manufacturing plant. Have you guys
Yes.
seen the manufacturing plant?
100%. Every year, pinupuntahan namin yan kasama yung mga top distributors.
Hindi lang kayo.
Hindi lang kami.
Minsan twice a year pa.
Oo. And besides, ayoko uminom ng isang product na hindi maiinom ng anak ko dahil hindi ko nakita yung plantation. So, to have a peace of mind, kami muna iinom, and then family namin, at syempre, importante, makita mo paano siya ginagawa.
Right.
Para
Malaking
peace
bagay
of
yun,
mind.
ano? Yes, dapat laging merong inventory, tsaka kung paano ginagawa. And sa Amerika, medyo mahigpit sila. Kaya nga bumagsak dito sa Asia yung mga mumurahin, pero delikado naman.
Actually, when we were negotiating with our partner na Nature's Way, yun ang sinabi sa akin ni Francis eh. Doc, i-negotiate mo na, mapuntahan muna natin yung manufacturing plant before we sign the agreement. So, lumipad muna kami. Nakita muna namin yung manufacturing plant. Nung makita namin na, okay to, they're creating a lot of supplement on a daily basis, hindi tayo maubusan ng stocks. Tapos maganda yung manufacturing facility. May mga doctors sila at mga scientists at mga botanists and biologists na for their research and development. Tapos certified sila ng FDA at may GMP sila at may iba pa sila mga
Ipaalala natin ulit yung GMP. Kasi
GMP,
that's,
Good Manufacturing Practice. Hindi kasi lahat ng manufacturing plant may GMP.
Right.
Hindi
Iba
lahat.
madumi ang
Hindi
ang
lahat.
paligid, o
Hindi
kaya
lahat.
minamadali.
Tapos para sa mga kapatid natin, mga Muslim sa Visayas, Mindanao, halal certified din yung mga products natin. So nung makita namin yung lahat ng mga requirements na yun, tapos sinubukan namin yung product, yun nga, yung misis ko, buntis pa nung time na yun, nilaklak yung products, mas tumalini yung mga yung mga anak ko nung inilabas. Sabi ko, ito na yung product na inaabangan natin.
Right. Yung company doon sa Amerika, your supplier, they're stable also, as stable as
Yes,
you
they are actually 45 years na, Arman. 45 years in terms of manufacturing experience. So, ganun sila ka-stable.
Can I ask a sensitive question? I
Sige.
hope you can answer, but you may refuse to answer. Kayo ba nagbabayad doon sa kumpanya? Baka naman malaki ang utang na doon sa kumpanya.
Ako sagutin ko
Sige,
yan as the
your
finance
vice-
director.
As head of finance.
Mahigpit kausap ang mga puti, lalo na yung aming kapartner. So bago nila kami padala ng produkto, kailangan magbayad ka muna through their bank-to-bank transaction, and then maghintay ka ng mga 1 or 2 weeks yung shipment. Ganun ang kanilang patakaran. Since day 1, mag-start kami. Hanggang ngayon.
After 5 years of giving them billions of sales, they're
Bayad
not giving you
muna,
credit? They're not giving you credit?
wala kaming credit.
Hindi uso ang consignment sa mga foreigners eh. Alam mo naman,
right.
actually ang nature ng business natin, kung hihimayin mo pa, lumalabas. Importer distributor kami. At
Yes.
and when you talk about import business, hindi
Yes.
pwede dyan yung, pwede ba deliver ka muna tsaka na kami magbabayad?
Yes, yes.
So usually may mga tinatawag na LC or
Yes,
letter
letter
of
of
credit,
credit.
na it is good as cash. Parang binayaran mo na rin sila ng cash tapos tsaka lang darating yung product.
Do you use LC?
Yes, we use
LC.
LC with a lot of our banks.
Okay. Coming from JV, ito magandang segue ito doon sa gusto natin pag-usapan na for this segment. What is the kind of scheme or system do AIM Global has? Multi-level or binary? Siguro discuss muna natin yung different marketing schemes. Ano ba ang different marketing scheme na ginagamit ng isang direct selling company?
Marami yan, Arman. May binary, may
Dalawa.
unilevel,
Okay.
merong stair-step, at meron ding matrix. So, ang kinuha namin, yung tatlo,
Okay.
na
Can we
which is very important.
differentiate the three?
Binary-
Ano po itong tatlo na to, Sir Francis?
Number 1, yung binary compensation plan.
Binary, then second is
Unilevel.
Unilevel.
And stair-step.
Okay, what's
Stair-step.
the binary?
Ang binary, dalawang structure mo. Isang group sa left, and then isang group sa right. Very manageable na marketing plan.
Okay.
So, every time na may magbebenta ng package, may kikitain yung nag-invite or kung sino yung sponsor.
Okay.
Yun yung binary compensation plan. Yung unilevel, sa 10th generation, yung dinesign namin, hanggang 10th generation, halimbawa, na-invite kita, may na-invite kang isa, hanggang umabot ng 10.
Okay.
Lahat ng binibili nila na items at nauubos or nako-consume, meron kang rebate doon or overriding.
That is cash that I
Yes,
collect.
of course.
Of course.
Okay.
Tapos, sa stair-step naman, ito yung
Grupo-grupo.
group incentive. Kung may malaking sales yung grupo mo, tumaas yung position mo, meron ka na namang override. So, tatlong marketing plan yon in one setup.
Okay. Doon tayo sa binary ha. Meron akong mga konting naintindihan doon sa binary. Pag meron ako nakuha, ilalagay ko sa left, ilalagay ko sa
You
right.
have an option kung saan mo gusto ilagay.
Ako may option, hindi kayo. Hindi yung
Hindi
kumpanya.
The distributor actually is the one who register their network in the website. So sila yung nasusunod. Kasi tapos na yung generation ng kunwari, bili tayo, sali tayo. Saan tayo bibili? Diyan sa office. Paano yung application paper natin?
Submit.
Company na yung mag-encode niyan. Ito
No,
ba?
yung mga noon ganyan. Eh.
Noon, ganon. Ngayon, iba na. So, pag bumili ka ng products, may matatanggap kang maliit na piraso ng papel o ng card na may mga numbers doon na yun ang i-encode mo sa website. Pag in-encode mo sa website yun, automatically, nasa member na siya ng family tree mo, or kung reorder yan, yung points pumasok na kaagad, yung mga uplines, may commission na kaagad, o kung ikaw, may override ka na kaagad doon.
Kaya natin binanggit kanina with emphasis yung system nyo internet-based.
Yes.
Because that's what it provides.
Kung
No?
saan pumapasok.
The monitoring, the way to easily encode it. Kaya
Pati yung
malaking bagay.
transaction, especially
Yung transaction.
encashment, paano ka makukuha yung pera? Kaya doon sa
Wala,
package...
andyan na yung kita.
Oh, andyan na yung kita, nakikita. Virtual na. Paano lalabas yan sa internet? So, gumawa kami ng system na naka-tie up tayo sa bank, BDO, BPI, para makuha nila nationwide kung saan sila yung kanilang komisyon on time.
So, itong tatlong system na to tumatakbo
Sabay-sabay.
sabay-sabay.
Going back to their Arman, yung binanggit ni Francis na binary, unilevel, tsaka yung stir step, o yung tinatawag na direct ng direct ng direct, yan kasi yung proven na mga marketing plan sa buong mundo for the past 50 years. Kasi ang industriya ng network marketing o direct selling, 50, 60, 75 years na yan sa buong mundo. Ang proven na mga marketing plans for the past 70 years, yan na yun. Binary, unilevel, tsaka stair step. Meron pa tinatawag na automatrix, pero hindi proven yun, kaya hindi namin sinama. So, ang sinama lang, ang pinagsama-sama lang namin yung mga proven na marketing plans sa buong mundo.
My simple question, mag-reverse ako konti, mag-adjust ako konti. Paano pa nagbebenta lang ako ng produkto? Hindi ako masyadong chismoso, katulad ng sinabi ni Francis. Ito, lamang ka pag makwento ka. Kinarag doon lang sa sarili kong circle. Alam nila na may nabibiling produkto. Can I earn on retail profit?
Of course. Meron tayo, as a member, entitled ka sa 25% off sa lahat ng item. Habang buhay na yon. So, kung nag-enjoy ka sa product movement, retailing, well, you get 25%.
25%.
Retail
Markup,
profit.
yeah.
So, yun ang...
At pagka kakabili-benta mo,
ganun lang,
tumataas pa yung position mo. Pwede
Position saan?
sa stair step.
Stair step.
Doon sa... Hindi ko napapansin yun na yun na yung...
Oo, kasi through accumulation of product reorder, napopromote ka. At there will come a time, hindi lang yung retail profit ang na-enjoy mo,
Meron ka rebate.
may rebate ka pa sa binili mo to, pagka binenta mo, may markup ka na, tapos at the end of the month, may rebate ka pa rin sa binili mong produkto.
So, kaya napasok yung networking, yung bumili sa akin, kinonvert ko na maging distributor.
Pwede. Kasi kunwari yung binentahan kita, nagustuhan mo.
Meron akong opisina sa Hong Kong or sa Paranaque.
Or sa Parañaque mo na, nagustuhan mo yung product,
Oo.
bili ka ng bili, wala yung arthritis ko, nag-normalize yung BP ko or whatever. Lumakas ako. O kaya sa gabi, masaya yung performance. Kunwari lang, Arman.
Nagbabasketball
Basketball ka sa gabi. Kunwari, after daily or monthly or weekly consumption of the product, nagustuhan mo yung product, bigla mong natanong, Ed, yung ginagawa mo ba, pwede ko rin bang gawin? Pwede rin ba ako magbenta rin at mag-refer ng tao? Pwede. Then you become a distributor. Pwede na kita ngayong sponsor rin sa business. Na pag in-sponsor kita, lahat ng binibili mo ngayon, meron akong extra commission pa. So doon na nade-develop. So yung iba nagsisimula dahil sa product. Since maganda yung product, magandang business to Nagiging interesado na sa business.
Okay. Would you want to add something, Francis?
Yun na yun.
We'll address some of the text messages coming from cellphone number ending 4967. Sabi niya, thank you AIM Global. You helped our family become wealthy and healthy. Na-discuss na ni Doc Ed yung coming from Marie Bade. I'm sorry. Okay. Obviously, the product is good. Food supplement. Mr. Francis Miguel, you have helped them their family to become wealthy. So, you have 3 marketing schemes. You have a good product. Paano sila yumayaman dito?
Okay.
What's the peaceability? Peaceabilities
Paano
behind
yung piso nagiging milyon?
Nagiging milyon, no? Yung ang concept na tinatawag na leverage marketing, nandun sa business system natin. So, yung mga ordinaryong tao na nag-exert ng extra effort, konting oras, konting panahon, pag yan pinagsama-sama, talagang will create a massive wealth. Katulad nung nag-text, nakalagay, salamat at natulungan mo kami naging healthy and wealthy. Kilala namin to personally, nakita namin siya nung mag-start, at ngayon ito yata yung may building na sa Cavite, na-improve yung kanyang pamumuhay. So, pag ang kumpanya stable, na-deliver mo yung promise.
Coming from cellphone number ending 5833. Dati po kami sa isang networking company. Maganda po marketing plan. Nabawi naman po namin kapital namin, kaya lang yung inaasahan pa po namin na income na hinto na. Ang malungkot pa doon, yung mga downline namin ay di po nakabawi at biktima pa po kami ng isang investment scam.
Magandang topic.
Yun yung binabanggit ko kanina na yung company sa simula nagpe-pay out. Maganda yung pinangakong payout, maganda yung pinangakong marketing plan. So nagpe-pay out naman after a week, after a month, after 3 months, after 4 months, yung biglang nag-overpay na yung company, yung mas malaki na yung inilalabas kasi pumapasok na benta, hininto na. So yung mga nakabawi, yung medyo nasa itaas lang. Yung mga nasa ilalim na mas nakakarami, yun yung hindi nakabawi at hindi kumita. Yun yung problema kapag yung company hindi stable.
At pag hindi value for money yung kanilang investment.
Right.
At the end of the day, dapat kasi pag nilabas ka,
Oo,
at least hawak mo
na-appreciate
na.
mo na yung-
Oo.
na-appreciate mo
Kung
yung ano.
gumalaw ka man o magbenta ka man o mag-build ka man ng network, at least hindi ka lugi. Mabenta mo man, naging pera. Bumalik yung pera mo.
Ininom mo,
Or yung services na gamit mo.
Why is there a fallacy na kailangan mauna ako dun sa network?
akala lang nila.
Akala lang nila. no?
Akala nila basta nauna,
Lamang.
kikita ka agad ng malaki. Pag nauna ka, lamang ka. Pero pag hindi mo tinrabaho, kaya nga kay Glenn kanina sabi niya, kung para sa tamad. Marami kami nakita nila, Francis, na sumali ng una. Pero hindi naman ginawa ng tama yung negosyo.
Kasi
Ano?
hindi naman pupunta sa'yo yung mga ibang pumasok.
Correct.
Diba? Kahit lumaki ng
Kahit
lumaki.
Oo. Hindi gagalaw yung product mo kung hindi mo iinumin o hindi mo iaalok. Hindi gagalaw yung business mo kung hindi mo rin iaalok yung business mo.
So, maring 300, 300,000, 3 milyon tayo. Ako yung nauna sa ating 3 milyon, pero wala akong ginawa. Kayo lang ang kumikita, ako hindi.
Correct.
So, definitely hindi siya pantamad because you have to build
Correct.
your...
Lahat naman ng business, Arman, kinakailangan lagyan ng sipag.
right.
Bago umani, kailangan magtanim.
Right. Coming from cellphone number ending 3119, anong product ang iinumin para matanggal ang mayoma?
Mayoma.
Oh, Doc.
Kaya naman, medyo mahirap mahirap mag-comment sa ganyan na hindi namin nakikita. Pero may mga experiences kami at testimonies na may mga sumubok, may iba natanggal yung mayoma dahil sa produkto natin. So I suggest para mas makita namin siya at mabigyan ng libreng payo. Libre naman yun, Arman, yung mga trainings namin, yung mga presentation everyday. Libre naman yun. So,
You do that every day, Doc?
every day
Every
doon
day.
sa office, twice
At
a
may
day.
mga speaker tayo, mga doktor.
Mga doktor to talk about the product.
Talk
Product
about the
alone.
product. At you can approach them right after the presentation about yung concern mo.
Medyo mag-reverse ako ulit ng konti. Natapos na natin yung tanong kung paano matatanggal yung mayoma. Excuse me.
Yung ubo, pwede rin matanggal.
Smoker's cuff. Yung produkto, kung maganda pala siya, bakit dinaan sa direct selling? Yung producer nyo, yung manufacturer nyo, they have obviously a good product. Kayo ba involved sa pagsabi kung anong klase magiging product or nakakapag-suggest ba kayo ng product?
Nakakapamili kami kung ano yung medyo trend. Ano ba yung uso ngayon? Ano ba yung mga na-discover recently? At yun yung mga gusto naming ma-incorporate doon sa product.
Kasi nakikita natin yung benefits sa networker, sa direct selling company. Sa kanya, yes, you sell 1 billion products. Hindi ba mas malaki ang mabebenta niya kapag dinaan niya sa traditional?
Pwedeng oo, pwedeng hindi. We all know for a fact na may magandang product or services, pero pag hindi maganda yung marketing, hindi tumatakbo yung produkto.
Right.
Marami na silang experience pagdating sa distribution, kaya siguro nag-try sila non-traditional way.
How long
in
has
line
this
with that,
company been?
kami nga lang, Arman, yung kaisa-isang MLM client nila at hindi na sila tumanggap ng iba.
Diba?
Kasi they have an experience na tumanggap ng iba, hindi nag-deliver. Natenggahan ng product, hindi sila nabayaran. So sabi nila, isa na lang ang magiging MLM client natin.
So, nangyayari din yun na kung nauubusan ng product, meron naman hindi gumalaw yung product.
Meron.
Pero hindi gumagalaw.
Ang kawawa naman doon yung
Supplier.
producer, yung supplier.
Kasi ginawa sila ng magandang produkto, tapos nahinto. Parang first delivery lang. Hindi na uli umorder.
Okay. We will pause for our last break. Dito sa ating usapan about networking. Pagbalik natin, let's address some of the fallacies or yung ibang common practice, bakit yung networker kailangan na napakaganda ng sasakyan niya kapag nagdadala? Is that purposely done? Is that really a come-on? Or for others, it may be a turn-off? Paano natin titingnan lahat yung, to summarize the good, the bad, and the ugly, and how to benefit from all this discussion. We will pause for a short break. Please send your messages to 0917-853-7333 if you want to share an opinion or ask a question from those who are well experienced about direct selling and networking. Don't touch that remote.
Cash, cold, that's what I need. Cash, cold, that's what I need.
Welcome back to Peaceabilities, and we're still joined by Doc Ed Cabandok and Mr. Francis Miguel, of both from AIM Global. Let's address some of the text messages and then to continue our discussion. Coming from cellphone number ending 813, Sir, may center na dito sa Cotabato. Inquire ko lang po kung pwede pa mag-satellite and how much. Una muna, before you answer that, anong sabihin na mag-satellite?
Satellite, it's a small investment, more or less mga 100,000 worth of inventory na pwede niyang ibenta doon nga sa
Sa grupo.
Cotabato at sa grupo niya.
Okay.
Pwede
Ay,
niya
yung pag-branch, anong sabihin ng branch?
Stockist yun,
Stockist
major
yun.
stockist. Usually, ang investment package namin dyan is 500,000.
Okay.
May exclusivity siya over a certain area.
Certain area. Okay. Pwede pa raw ba mag-satellite office sa
Of course,
Cotabato?
pwede.
Okay. Yung satellite, walang limit.
Wala.
Walang limit ang satellite.
Yung branch ang meron.
Meron, may exclusivity on the
On a
area.
certain geographical area. Okay. Coming from cellphone number ending 333. Tanong ko lang po kung
Kung may idea.
kayo sa Filtrepreneur. Networking din po siya, pero franchising.
We have an idea with that. Kasi mga kasama namin sa industriya yan. Pinagsama niya yung networking
And
at
franchising.
franchising. It's a good and it's a new idea, pero nakita namin iba hindi nag-prosper. Kasi usually, sa networking, pag sumali ka, when you get knowledgeable about the product at nakakabenta ka ng product, ang next thing to do is to sponsor people o mag-recruit ka na.
Great.
Pero sa franchising, kunwari, mga show my balls o yung mga
Food cart.
mga food cart, pagka sumali ka sa ganon, ang next thing to do is to put it up and manage it.
Right, right.
Mahirap naman yung hindi mo pa siya naitatayo, tapos
Kumukuha.
magre-recruit ka na ng
Kumukuha.
tao na ganun din ang gagawin. So,
So may disconnect ng konti,
oo,
no? May disconnect
magandang
ng konti.
idea because it's a new concept.
Concept.
Pero in reality, hindi na susunod yung ultimate goal na kumita ka ng malaki kasi napapabayaan mo yung priority business mo, which is the franchise system.
Okay. Coming from cellphone number 034, I'm a widow and I'm looking for work. I want to become healthy and wealthy at the same time. How can I join?
You can text the hotline na naka-flash sa screen and probably we can schedule for a presentation sa lahat na magte-text din sa screen.
For free.
For free.
For
For
free.
free yun. Pwedeng si Francis Miguel na mag-present, pwedeng ako mag-present o yung isa naming ka-partner, si Jan Asperin, para makita nyo kung paano tumatakbo yung negosyo. And it's for free.
Siguro para sa ating magandang segue yung last text na babasahin natin for now, coming from cellphone number 9487. May I ask what your products are? In summary natin dahil we are in the last segment. What are the products of AIM Global?
Mahilig kami sa mga products na unique, na kakaiba, na hindi mo basta makikita sa ibang mga opportunities like this. We have a glutathione na sublingual. Ini-spray sa ilalim ng dila, tapos tutulungan pumuti yung buong katawan mo. Hindi siya yung gluta na tablet or gluta na capsule
Or injectables.
or injectable. Gluta na sublingual. And then we have coffee, Francis.
Ang tawag, coffee cuticals.
Coffeeceuticals.
Meron siyang fruits, may vegetables, may mushroom, in coffee, na meron siyang cream. Pag natikman mo na, sarap. And of course, we have My Choco sa mga hindi coffee drinker. Meron din siyang vegetable, may fruits din, and of course, chocolate flavored. Ayun. And meron din tayong Perfect White, kasi maraming mga Pilipino talaga gustong...
Paputi.
Oo.
Paano naman yan?
Hindi lang magpaputi, yung medyo...
Nade-delay yung aging.
Yes, yung
Nade-delay yung
Nade-delay yung
they
aging.
want to look 10 years younger. Na medyo nababatak ng konti yung muka, rosy cheeks ng konti yung mga pisngi.
Ano yan? Pinapahid?
No, iniinom.
Iniinom.
It's made from Japan.
Okay. Hindi naman from America ito.
Hindi
Ito,
naman.
iba
Then
naman,
we have
from Japan.
Colidus para sa mga gusto bumaba yung cholesterol nila. It's a fish oil na may unique formulation.
Okay. How do I become wealthy? Your products seem good. Looking after my physical well-being, my financial well-being, my peaceabilities. May mga yumaman na ba sa InGlobal?
Ayun. Ako na ho magsasabi, marami talagang yumaman. And
Una dahil masipag sila. Sumunod sila sa system. At yung naririnig ko mga rules sa inyo, follow your upline.
Magtataka ang Arman, mga ordinaryo lang eh. Merong mga 22, 23 years old, meron ding mga mid-40s, no?
Or
Actually,
retiree.
all
Pwede
ages.
ba retiree?
Pwede
Meron
rin.
din.
At meron ding widow na nakalagay dyan.
May lola-lolo na pamilyado rin na kumita rin ng malaki.
Meron ding housewife.
What's my earning potential there?
Million.
Million.
Based from your own network, gano'ng kalaki na ba ang network ng AIM Global?
Right now,
Ilan
meron
ang bumibili ng produkto nyo?
members na lang.
Members. Sige.
Kasama yung sa Singapore and Brunei, nasa 500,000.
500,000.
500,000.
Ilan ang actively nag-networking doon?
Sabihin na natin mga 30%.
30%?
30%. Yung iba doon, mga consumer lang eh.
Consumer lang.
Gusto lang maka-discount sa product.
Sa product. Yung kanina tinatanong ko kung yun lang ang
yun lang ang gusto mo, benta-benta.
ginagawa ko. Doon sa nag-networking, from the 500,000, 30% of them, may umabot na bang milyonaryo dyan?
As of the record, meron na ho tayong nasa 350
350.
member ng Millionaire Circle. Meaning, ito na yung mga taong nagmiyembro at kinita nila yung unang million nila.
Okay.
Although meron na rin mga nakakat 15 million, meron na rin 20 million, accumulated yon from day one. Namomonitor yun because of the website. Makikita nila yon.
So for 5 years, earning $1 million is not bad, lalo na kung individual business. So dito talagang binibreak yung fallacy na kailangan mauna ako. Naku, 500,000 na pala sila ron. Hindi na magandang pumasok dyan sa kumpanya na yan. I still have a chance, right?
Yes.
Of course.
Especially if the company owners, tulad namin mga bata, visionaries, meaning ano ba yung what's in it for those people who are joining right now. Lalo na ngayon, nag-expand tayo sa iba't iba mga bansa. Sa Hawaii, para sa mga Ilocanong nanonood dyan, magbubukas tayo sa Hawaii this coming January. So can you imagine, you can join right now and develop a group in Hawaii.
In Hawaii.
Sa Hong Kong, magbubukas din tayo sa Hong Kong in a few months from today. So you can join right now and develop group here in the Philippines and outside the Philippines as well. And if I may add, Arman, doon sa 350 na naging milyonaryo, mind you, hindi mga negosyante itong mga to. Mga ordinaryong tao. Merong tricycle driver, pedicab driver, barker, janitor, messenger,
May
nagtatrabaho.
estudyante.
May estudyante, maraming
May dropout.
estudyante. May mga college dropout, may nagtatrabaho sa SM, 7-Eleven, delivery boys, teachers, may mga professional din.
May mga doktor.
So, may mga doktor
Doktor
din.
din.
In short,
From
people...
all walks of
from
life.
all walks of life.
From the up to the...
Ibig sabihin, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin sa... Kapag ikaw nanonood ngayon ng Peaceabilities, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, hindi para sa akin yan, Arman eh. Para sa lahat to. You can do this. Especially if you have a dream, kung malaki yung pangarap mo, maybe this is the right vehicle. Magkita tayo, text mo yung hotline, magkita tayo at pagkakakitaan natin yung mga produkto at magkikita tayo sa mga pangarap mo.
We did some background check from with these guys bago namin sinet up. Mga 2 weeks namin sineset up. Meron kaming interesting na nakita doon tungkol kay Francis. Why are you called mentor of mentors?
Siguro dahil sa dami ng experience. Sa
17
tagal,
years.
17 years. Sa dami kong kinausap at sa daming nag-reject, siguro nag-grow na ako doon. Kaya more or less, nakikita ko pa lang yung kausap ko, alam ko kung sasali na o hindi. And of course, dahil daily ang training at nakababad kami, nakatutok kami doon.
And meron mga nag-acknowledge yung mga 2 people actually, they're into networking and really doing good. They learned from you, from a different company. Ever since you are into this networking and you do the trainings?
Well, mula nung nag-start kasi ako noong 94 at ginawa ko na siyang career, marami akong mga na-train, na coach, na individual, na nakasama kami once and then after ilang years, nagkanya-kanya na.
Nagtayo daw sila ng
O,
iba?
nagtayo o sumali sa ibang company. Yung skills na nandun and na-build na yung attitude at saka yung business ethics nila, dala nila. Kaya siguro, hindi nila makakalimutan kahit paano.
Francis probably is just being modest. Siguro just to give you the actual figure, yung mga magagaling na direct seller at networker sa Pilipinas, sabihin na lang natin a good 60 to 75% ng magagaling na networker, direct seller sa Pilipinas na nasa iba't iba mga company, once in their lifetime, dumaan sa mga pagtuturo.
Yung isang
ni Francis
pinagtanungan nga
Miguel.
namin, tumungo siya. Akala namin baka may ginawang masama rito si Francis Miguel. Pero yung pala naiinggit na ngayon dahil on the stability of the company that you have set up. What can you assure your current, siguro may mga nanonood na current networkers or members nyo or under your umbrella, and those that will join, coming from the owners or the top guns of AIM Global? What can you assure and say on air, on national TV, sa mga miyembro nyo at magiging miyembro nyo pa?
For those viewers of Peaceabilities, prospects or existing members of Alliance in Motion Global, we have a long way to go. Watch out for our new products. Within the next few months, next year, we'll be entering a new division, which is telecommunications and broadband internet. We'll be selling gadgets like iPad-like products, which we call Alliance Pad. Maglalabas tayo ng mga ganyan na naka 4G capable. And we're expanding in other markets. We're excited with Hawaii, we're excited with Hong Kong, we're excited with Korea, Taiwan, Europe, and particularly the Middle East in Dubai. So the trick here is to innovate here in the Philippines and long-term program through expansion program in other countries. Not to forget the trainings that are headed by my partner, Mr. Francis Miguel.
Masasabi ko lang mga nagsusubaybay ng Peaceabilities, malay nyo, yung wish nyo last year, that this year is a better year compared than the last year, malay mo ito na yung pagkakataon. At ilang araw na lang, matatapos na yung taon. So, dapat magkita tayo para yung wish nyo naman, maging totoo na rin.
Okay, well said. We have come to the portion of the program. May warning ako rito, Doc Ed, nung pinadala ko sa iyo yung pag-uusapan natin. The wallet raid. Pero hindi ko in-explain ano yung wallet raid. Excuse me. Excuse me, sorry Derek. Ito kasi yung sa Colayco Foundation, we found out yung mga tao na magaling humawak ng pera, makikita mo sa the way they handle their wallets. So dito, papakita, hindi naman natin bibilangin kung magkano ang pera sa inyong mga wallet. Can you pull out your wallets and just mukhang natatakot si Francis, mukhang meron mga kontrabando sa loob ng wallet. Or wala kang
Wala akong dalang wallet kasi nakisakay lang ako sa kanya.
Nakisakay lang, okay. So, si Doc Ed na lang. Makapal-kapal ang wallet.
Maraming
Calling card.
Makapal-kapal ang wallet. What's the most important thing in your wallet? Para sa inyo? One or two items?
other than the
Driver's license.
the money or the credit card.
How many credit cards do you have, Doc? Presidente ng AIM Global, paying out daily, 1 billion sales. Magkano, ilan ang credit card? 4 credit cards.
4 credit cards.
4 credit cards. Okay.
I have 4 credit cards.
Pwede mo bang i-share miski na isang credit card lang, ano yung credit limit niya?
Eto,
Yan,
medyo,
platinum.
meron din si Francis niyan, tsaka si Jan, yung kapartner ko eh.
Sinama mo kagad si... Nagdamay ka kagad.
Para tatlo kami. Actually, this is, bigay ito ng BDO, I think it's 3 million ang credit limit.
3 million.
Ayan,
Meron din si Francis niyan, tsaka meron din si Jan.
Gusto mo mabubali yung bahay? pwede yung credit card nila, Doc.
Pwede mo i-swipe.
Probably we can talk about that on another segment na it's good to have a credit card if you know how to use them.
Yes, yes.
But if
Kasama
you
ko.
don't know how to use them, better have a surgical operation. Putulin mo na gano'n.
Any personal stuff in your wallet?
Ay, ito maganda. Buti na nabanggit mo yan. This is a, I just forgot the term. Nung pinanganak yung panganay ko, si Samantha Eddie, ito yung balat na nakalagay sa ulo. I just forgot the medical term.
Okay.
So, nung para tong tela, so nung lumabas yung ano,
Natural part of the body.
natural
sir.
part of the skin, okay, or the body na Singing kasi si Mrs. si wife ko.
Interesado ako dyan.
Okay, so paglabas ng baby ko, si Samantha Eddie, mayroong nakabalot na skin sa ulo. Sabi ng OB-GYN niya, kunin mo, swerte yan. Sabi ko, anong gagawin ko dito? Laban mo,
Ilagay mo
tapos
sa wallet.
ilagay mo sa wallet. And it's been in my wallet for the past 7 years. Magsi 7 na
years
kasi
old
yung
na.
anak ko this coming December. Hi Sam, and hi Connie, I love you.
And
Flagging.
Right. So,
So yan yun naman. A lucky charm from a wife and from my eldest daughter.
Panganay.
And cards and the actual cash.
okay. Estimate, magkano cash yung nasa wallet ni Doc Ed, Gabantog, presidente ng A Global?
Around 10,000 in cash.
10,000 in cash. Medyo tumawag ka ng security mamaya. 3 million credit card, Fred, tsaka 10,000 in cash. Okay, thank you very much, gentlemen. Yung mga nag-text sa amin, 0917-853-7333, we will share the information on where you can continue to get information about Alliance in Motion Global. We can probably even hold, as the President and Vice President said, hold a free orientation for you guys.
Special orientation.
Special orientation for Peaceabilities viewers. So, our last quick message, meron ba kayong gustong sabihin? Batiin, binating na ang wife and your children. Mr. Francis Miguel?
Abatiin ko yung wife ko, si Lay, at yung dalawa kong anak, si Sky at saka si Ice. Inspirasyon ko yung mga to.
Alright, okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, direct marketing or direct selling through networking is a legit way of doing business. Just make sure you are with a stable company, with a good product, with a good support in as far as the technical, administrative, and trainings that the company will provide to assure and put you in a level of comfort that the company will be there, the products will be there, pero kailangan kayo magtrabaho rin. Hindi to pantamad, you have to build your own business. This has been your host, Arman Benko of the Colayco Foundation. See you again next time, same place, same time here in the Business Portal, your gateway to business trends and opportunities.
Oh, that's what I need.